Hello everyone, welcome to second tutorials of C++ programming. In this tutorial I am gonna talk about variables and comments in C++. So, without waste any more time, let's get started. C++ variables are containers for storing data values. Int stores integers, whole numbers, without decimals, such as 123 or -123. Double stores floating point numbers, with decimals, such as 19.99 or -19.99. Variables are containers for storing data values. Char stores single characters, such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quotes. String stores text, such as hello world. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Bool stores values with two states, true or false. Declaring, creating, variables. To create a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. To create a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. Where type is one of C++ types, such as int, and variable is the name of the variable, such as x or my name. The equal sign is used to assign values to the variable. To create a variable that should store a number, look at the following example. Create a variable called mynum of type int and assign it the value 15. Comments in C++. Comments can be used to explain C++ code, and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Comments can be single-lined or multi-lined. Single-line comments. Single-line comments start with two forward slashes, // Any text between // and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler, will not be executed. C++ multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with, and ends with /. Any text between, and, will be ignored by the compiler. I think this was enough for today. If you enjoy my video then like it, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel for latest videos. And join my Facebook group, Real Coder, also for latest post, news, videos and links. There is also my blog, www.freecourses2021.blogspot.com, in which you can get paid courses for free. Thanks for watching.